Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ondo. Excuse me that I'm not looking at the camera, but I'm clicking some windows away, which I did not want to click away. But yeah, we're going to do a full update here on Ondo. There's a lot to talk about, so let's get right into it. And the first thing that we all have to talk about, obviously, is the bullish breakout that we had. All right, we were able to break above that level at 1.5. Which, if you watched my videos, both my last Ondo updates, but also my middle of the day market updates, I do almost every single day. You would have known that's the main level to watch, and I also said I thought it was quite likely that we would break above that. So then yesterday we had the FOMC meeting. We got some bullish momentum in the markets, as most of you know. Right here, Bitcoin is actually doing quite good as well. Looks quite healthy as well. And Ondo being one of the strongest performers in the last couple of weeks already. I mean, find altcoins that look this strong, right, with over $100 million market cap. You won't find many. But so far, you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we've managed to break above the 1.5 level. 12-hour time frame, we still have to see that breakout. That will close in about 2 hours, so I do think we will break out. And ultimately, everything is looking quite good for Ondo. The volume is up nicely at around 40%. That's higher than the market increase. I think the TVL for Ondo is also still doing relatively well, as you'll be able to see right here. TVL is around $570 million. Could be doing better, but in the end, not the end of the world. Ondo is obviously a small part, but part of the portfolio of World Liberty Finance, the Trump-related project. And then just last week, we had Larry Fink from BlackRock talking about tokenization, etc. And if there's one project that has close ties, or at least some sort of a tie with BlackRock, it's Ondo. So fundamentally, there's just a lot of reasons to be bullish on Ondo. Now, the one thing I'm slightly worried about is that we have some sort of an event coming up, the 5th of February, I believe. I'm not completely sure if that's true. Is that wow, Plume airdrop? Okay, didn't know that. I think there's some sort of an event coming the 5th of February. So what I'm a little bit worried about is that might be a sell the news effect. Sell the news event, but for now I would not assume that. So now looks good as long as we're going to be able to hold 1.5 as support right here. We look good to go higher into the next price target, which for me would be this level right here between, well, let's say around 1.75. And because of the volume, because of the open interest, which is also moving up quite nicely, I do think it is most likely that this is a real breakout and that we can get that move up. Now, after getting that move up, and by the way, be prepared for some sort of a pullback. I do expect that as well. But after the move up, we kind of have to judge the market as we see it, and we kind of have to judge how strong Bitcoin is and what the Bitcoin dominance is doing. While we're talking about potentially breaking out, I would say it's best to assume right now that yes, this is a real bullish breakout. We might grab some liquidity to the downside. We might retest a bit. But yes, this is a bullish breakout, and yes, we're going higher. Next obvious price target is 1.75 and 1.8. But then, like the only way that we would be able to go higher than that is either if Bitcoin becomes very strong and breaks out of 107,000. Now, is that possible? Yes. Is that something to bet on? No. Or you have to bet on the Bitcoin dominance turning bearish. And if you take a look at the Bitcoin dominance over the last, what is it? Basically since the 16th of January, that's not a wise bet either. So for now, I would say this is most likely getting a big pullback from that level. But short term, that does mean that even with some volatility, the most likely direction is up. And those are my thoughts. That's what you'll have to work with. Hopefully it was valuable for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next videos. And yeah, make sure to join the Telegram or the Discord group if you do want to discuss this analysis. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.